Hi everyone, my name is Mr. D, and this is my good friend Hippo. Say hello, Hippo.
Hello.
Hippo, it's time for your snack. Are you a little hungry?
I'm always hungry.
Oh, well, that's good. I decided to give you a snack with fruit.
I love fruit.
Here you go. Here is a banana
I like them ripe.
and an apple.
Oh, okay. Should I eat them now?
Yeah, you can eat them now or you can wait. It's up to you.
Well, since we have our viewers, I'll
Mhm.
wait and have my apple and banana. Oh,
Oh, what?
apples and bananas remind me of a song.
Oh, would you like to sing the song?
It's very short.
Okay, let's hear it.
I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas.
That is a wonderful song, Hippo.
Thank you.
And it's perfect because the books I'm going to read today are about apples, and another book is about bananas.
Who would have guessed?
Yeah, it's a coincidence.
Uh-huh.
Okay, and I'm going to be asking you questions, okay, Hippo?
I like questions.
All right, let's begin.
All right.
We harvest apples in fall.
That's true.
Yeah,
That's the season of the harvest of the apples.
that is correct, Hippo.
Oh,
You're so smart.
thank you.
Oh, look at this.
Oh,
That's just beautiful. Fall arrives. Fall is here. Weather cools. Leaves turn colors.
yes, it's a special time of the year.
Look at all those reds and oranges.
Mm.
Beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
Apple trees change in fall. The apples they grow change.
Oh,
That's a lot of apples.
uh-huh. And I guess they change?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Apples grow. Apples start as blossoms. They bloom in summer. They become fruit.
Wait a minute. We have blossoms and they
Mhm.
bloom
That's correct, Hippo.
and then they become fruit?
That's right.
Very busy.
What do you see?
I see a flower.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's a bloom.
Yeah. It says here apples are in the same plant family as roses.
Who would have guessed?
Yeah, I never thought of that.
Oh,
By fall, apples are ripe. They are ready to harvest.
Oh, harvesting the apples.
What do you see?
I see apples.
Yeah. How many apples do you see? Let's
Oh,
count. Are you ready, Hippo?
okay.
All right. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6.
6 apples.
I know it's kind of hard to see, but
Some of them are only part of an apple.
yeah, here's one over here, and then there was one in the bottom.
Mm.
Yeah, but they're there.
Okay.
Apple season. To harvest apples is to pick them. Workers pick many apples.
Harvesting is very hard work.
I know, and as you can see, we have a whole box full of apples. Look
Oh.
at that.
Mm.
Yeah, move it a little closer so the audience can see.
I think so, yes.
Paul visits apple orchards in fall. He picks apples too.
He looks happy.
Yeah, he does. And look at all those apples he picked.
Mmm.
Apples are used to make many foods.
Oh yeah. Like apple muffins,
Apple pie,
applesauce.
applesauce donuts.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Oh, and what else here? And apple cider.
Yeah. Apple cider is made from pressed apples.
Mmm.
That looks delicious, doesn't it, Hippo?
Mm-hmm.
Making me a little thirsty just looking at that. Anne buys apples to take home. She makes apple pie. What do you see?
Oh, they're making the apple pie.
Uh-huh. What do you need to make apple pie?
We need Paul's apples that we
Yeah.
harvest.
Or Anne's apples.
Yes.
Snowfall. Apples harvest is a special time. What season comes next?
Winter comes next.
That's correct, Hippo. Winter.
Wow. Well, thank you.
You're welcome, Hippo.
Well, that was good about the apples.
Mm-hmm.
What about bananas?
I got you covered, Hippo. Watch a banana grow.
I have no idea how bananas grow.
Well, you know what? You're going to find out.
Oh, good.
Yummy fruit.
Mm.
May loves bananas.
Oh.
Where do they come from?
Oh, I know.
Oh,
I know.
You do, Hippo?
They come from a grocery store.
That's correct, but where does the grocery store get the bananas?
I know.
Oh,
They get them off a truck.
that's correct, but where does the truck get the bananas?
I don't know.
Well, that's okay, Hippo. We'll figure out the answer.
Okay, read on.
All right. Banana plants grow where it is hot and humid.
Oh,
Banana plant.
look at the
Oh,
plant.
look how big those leaves are.
Oh,
Yeah, we don't seem to have any here where we live.
no.
Yeah, different climate.
Mm-hmm.
They need lots of rain.
Okay,
They need rich soil.
okay.
A farmer plants a bulb in the ground.
A bulb?
Yeah, there's the bulb. I'll get a little closer so everyone can see, but right here
Uh-huh.
is the bulb.
In the rich soil.
In the rich soil. That's right, Hippo.
Okay, they got to plant the bulb.
Mm-hmm. A tall plant grows from it. The plant has big leaves.
Mm-hmm.
It has one big flower.
Wow, just
Yeah,
one?
Just one, Hippo.
Oh.
Bananas grow with the flower. And there are the
Oh.
bananas.
Oh.
See them?
Well, they don't look like mine right now.
No, not yet, but they will eventually.
Okay.
They grow in bunches.
Bunches.
Each plant can make 150 bananas. Wow!
That's a lot of banana
That
splits.
Yeah, that is a lot of banana splits and banana bread,
Uh-huh.
which is my favorite. Time to harvest. Bananas are picked when they are green. They are not ripe yet.
Oh.
Yeah,
They pick them when they're green?
they pick them when they are green.
Uh-huh.
They become ripe before they are sold. Now they are yellow.
Oh.
Hey, want to get your banana and compare, Hippo?
Okay, just a minute.
Okay. Yeah, it looks exactly like the bananas in this picture, doesn't it?
Well, it does, except I think my banana is getting very ripe.
Yeah, it
It
is.
It has some of the brown spots.
Yeah, but don't worry, Hippo. After we're finished reading, you'll be able to eat it.
Now, I have another idea I'll tell you.
Oh, okay. I can't wait to hear it.
Okay.
Look at all these bananas.
Okay, they start
Already,
green, and now they're yellow.
yeah, they're all ready to be bought.
Mmm.
Yum. Eat up.
Oh.
She looks happy.
Yes, she does.
Okay, Hippo, time for a little review.
Okay.
Life cycle of a banana. How does a banana grow? Take your time, and it's okay if you make a mistake. This is just a review.
You better point.
Okay, so first we start off with,
A seed.
well, close, but what's bigger than a seed?
Oh, a bulb.
A bulb, that's correct. And then once it's a bulb, it becomes a
plant.
A plant. And after a plant, it becomes a
flower.
Very good, Hippo, a flower. Then they become bananas, but what color? Do they become green or yellow? Okay.
Green.
Very good, Hippo, green bananas. And then they become ripe bananas, and what color are they then?
Yellow.
Yellow bananas. Very good, Hippo.
Thank you.
Oh, you did great.
Well, I was looking at my banana,
Mm-hmm.
and
Yes.
I think it's overripe.
Uh-huh.
So I'm going to go and make banana bread.
Oh, that sounds great. I love banana bread. It's one of my favorites.
Okay, I'm going to get started.
Okay, well, while Hippo is getting ready to make banana bread, I'm going to use this time to say we hope you enjoyed the stories, and we'll see you again next time. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.